Let us solve question number 6. A weight of 100 Newton is attached by two strings as shown in figure. Calculate tensions in the string. Here they had given a diagram. In this diagram, we have load 100 Newton attached to two strings. One string is inclined at 30 with respect to horizontal. Other is inclined at 60 degree with horizontal. Here I have to calculate the tensions in both the strings. So I'll write the solution for this problem. Here again I have to calculate the tensions. So first I will draw the FBD to explain to you what it has been given. So drawing FBD for the given problem. How to draw the FBD? First I can locate the weight. Weight is 100 Newton. Then I will denote tension by T1 and T2. Once I have located the forces, now I can find the angle between them. See, if I draw this horizontal line, here I have marked T1. So T1 is inclined at 30 degree with horizontal. T2 is inclined at 60 degree with horizontal because of alternate angles. So I have marked 30 degree and 60 degree as alternate angles. Next, since this is 30, this is 60, that becomes 90. So the angle between T1 T2, that is also 90. And here I have this angle also as 90 degree. So once I know all the angles, once I know the forces, I can easily calculate whatever has been asked. So now this is a case of three concurrent forces. So for three concurrent forces, we can easily apply Lamy's theorem. So I'll say that by Lamy's theorem, I will write down T1 upon sine of angle between W and T2. W and T2, here I have 90 plus 60, that will give me 150. If I write T2, angle between T1 and W, so it is 30 plus 90, 120. If I write W, angle between T1 T2, that is 90, so sine 90. After writing the Lamy's theorem, now since T1 and T2 are my questions, so I'll say that therefore T1 will be equal to W upon sine 90. I will send sine 150 on the other side. Hence the value of T1, W is given to me, that is 100 Newton upon sine 90 into sine 150. So therefore I am getting my value of T. I can write it here. Therefore T comes out to be, it is 50 Newton, which is T1. My value of T1 is 50 Newton. This will be my first answer. After this, I can utilize T2. T2 is equal to W upon sine 90. Sine 120 I will send on the other side. Hence, T2 will be equal to 100 upon sine 90 into sine 120. If I calculate all terms here, I will get my answer of T2 as 86.6 Newton. This is my second answer. So if I look into this question, there were two things asked. To calculate the tension in the strings, I have got my answer of T1 as 50 Newton, answer of T2 as 86.6 Newton, and with this the problem gets completed.